I am putting away my Christmas decor and I want to show you my favorite new storage find. It is the VENO wreath storage bags. Here they are. They are amazing quality. They are a very large size, square size, and they are the best storage thing ever. They have saved a lot of space for me. Here I'm putting away my holiday wreaths. And this large wreath was on my front door, and it fits right inside the bag. There it is inside the bag. You can see there are nice high edges. It is a deep wreath bag, and the wreath is not squished. It's definitely got enough room in there. And then you have a zipper closed. On this side comes up, and then there's also a zipper for the wreath bag on this side. And you can bring that together, and here it is. And I just hang the wreath on a bar or hook. This is in my garage, and they take up a lot less space. It is the perfect answer to wreath storage, and the wreaths are protected until I'm ready to take them out again for another holiday next year. And I have a lot of wreaths for every season, so it's nice to be able to rotate them. Here they are. I have 4 wreaths all hanging here on the bar. They're all protected. They are vertical, so they will not get crushed in storage. And it's a very efficient use of space. They're not taking up too much space in my garage, just hanging up on the rack there. I definitely recommend these. One of my best finds, I would say, for storage.